Afternoon everyone, so today we're at a Nissan. It's a Nissan Qashqai 2017. Customer's complaint is the engine management light is on and we have a P1453-92 differential pressure sensor circuit particle filter 2.Diff. So we got the car in, it was just in for a service. The guy said look at the light, so we cleared the code, took it a run, and bang, that came back immediately. So you can see there it's complaining about the circuit. So I'll show you the graph of that pressure circuit. Oops. And there's absolutely no reading from that. Just get a quick blip, Roddy. Nothing, so just turn it off, my man. So there's no reading at that pressure sensor at all, but the funny thing is, when we started it up, we got a reading, and now it ain't. So I think visual inspection is going to be important here. I think this is our culprit here. So it'll be three wire job. So let's check it for power and ground and see if we've got anything coming out. Can you see the pipe work, Rodney? Does that look okay?
It's alright.
We'll check where it goes down to the exhaust. Has this got covers underneath it? So always check, so we've got our negative lead. Rodney, you want to test it on the positive just to see we're all good, nothing worse. You know, ain't got a good ground. There we go, 12 volts. So we'll just come out of the sensor, and we'll just go for grey, my man. You reach, the lead's long enough. So we're into the grey wire, and we've got nothing. So that could be ground. Right, try again. Grey wire's 0, so just go to the next one. What's the next colour already? Green one. So there you go, there's 4.99, that's our bias voltage, that's good. And we'll go to the yellow. And that's 0.83. That 83 or 33? I've got my glasses on. 83, that's 83. So I think everything's here. So go back to that grey wire already. That's on the grey, so that's 0 volts, and I'll take my lead. And we'll just go to battery positive. Oh dear. Battery. So we're taking a negative lead and going to battery positive. And you can see there we're reading minus 0.12 volts. So that means that that's a good ground. So everything checks out fine. So we'll go back into, is it the yellow wire it was a reading? Back into ground again. So you want to just start it and rev it, Roddy, see if we get anything. I don't think we are though. No, unless we're at the wrong sensor. That sensor's working. We're waiting out. So we think that sensor's working. So what we're going to do is disconnect it and see what code's generated, because this is maybe number 1. Oh, can you get into that, sir? Oh, is that it there at the side? Sensor disconnected. Let's see what code comes up for this. So that's the different turbine upstream pressure sensor circuit. So we're at the wrong one. So that's good. We've never condemned a good sensor, so we're looking after this one. So I think we need to go underneath. So we disconnected this one up here, which is next to it. And you see the code we get here. So that's that proportional rich sensor heat circuit CO. So that's like an O2 sensor. So it ain't that. The search goes on. So the sensor that we want, oh, let's see, Roddy's got this mirror about. It's down the back. It's got a, what is it, a green pipe and a black pipe going in it, Roddy?
That's right, aye.
So it's really difficult to see this. We'll let you see the new one, but there it's in the back there. Right, let's see if we can get a better shot. Now as you can see, this pressure sensor for the DPF is buried down the back. It has this multi-plug with a blue tab, so you must get that off. That was quite difficult to remove in that white box. Now the sensor ain't the problem. And you're going to see, oh, that's multi-plug disconnected. See these two pipes? The one with the black and the blue thing round the top hit his burst. The pipework was split into 3 bits and was actually exhaust gases coming out of it. So contacted the main dealer. For a short length of pipe, it was wanting £30 plus VAT. So we just went to our local suppliers and got a bit of fuel pipe and put that on. The quality looks the same, if not better. So obviously there's no point going back and getting the original quality. Anyway, that's a fix.